And I know Nurdin Haji is a dedicated public servant who will never allow state capture to take over his office as Director General of NIS. That NIS will never be used like it was used before to settle political scores. That the Honorable Junet Mohammed will feel safe, just as I will feel safe with Nurdin Haji holding the office of Director General NIS. And I want to pray and wish him well, and pray that the House will this afternoon approve Nurdin Haji as our next Director of NIS, and hoping that he will act to ensure that he ignites intelligence services right at the sublocation level, that never again will Kenyans experience the Shakahola kind of tragedy that we have experienced, where over a period of more than 10 years, Kenyans have been killed and their bodies buried in a forest in Malindi, in Shakahola. And Honorable Speaker, you must ask yourself, there are chiefs, there are intelligence officers in Malindi, in Kilifi, in Shakahola. Honorable Speaker, you remember in the last 5 years, it was said hundreds of people disappeared, and forced disappearances and extrajudicial killings. And Honorable Speaker, we have asked elsewhere, is it possible that those who are subjected to extrajudicial killings under the last regime are part of those who are buried in Shakahola? And I want to ask Nurdin Haji to ensure that he goes to the depth of the extrajudicial killings under the former regime and under DCI Kinoti, and check whether there is any correlation between Shakahola, the massacre and burying of bodies in Shakahola, and the extrajudicial killings that were perpetuated in the last 5 years, Honorable Speaker. And with those, I beg to strongly support this great son of Garissa County, a great son of Kenya, whose family also, Mr. Speaker, has served this country. His father, not just as senator, but also as an experienced administrator and security man.